Digital devices are everywhere these days, making it easy to stay connected to the digital world. But while access to instant information can be helpful, always being connected can also cause problems if you aren't careful. Always being on our devices has had a noticeable effect on society. The average American spends more than 10 hours a day looking at a screen of some kind. Our smartphones, computers, video games, and other devices provide a never-ending stream of news, entertainment, and information that we can't seem to look away from. Since these devices are almost everywhere, instant gratification is easier than ever, especially with our phones always close by. The ability to escape into a screen at a moment's notice can become a distraction during work, school, and social time. On top of all that, with so much content being created, consumed, and shared, false information can spread rapidly, especially when people don't take the time to investigate it. This can make it difficult to find legitimate information and distinguish it from unfounded claims. That's why it's crucial that you moderate the time you spend in front of screens. Studies have shown that too much screen time can have negative effects on your physical and emotional health. To help you out, many devices have apps and settings that can monitor and limit your usage. While modern life demands some screen usage, it's key to balance that usage with habits that keep you healthy and prevent the spread of misinformation.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.